Hindi agad mapondohan ang ilang malalaking proyekto ng gobyerno dahil hindi pa rin naaaprubahan ang 2019 national budget. Binago na rin ng National Economic and Development Authority o NEDA ang target na gross domestic product ngayong taon. May news to go si JP Soriano.
Lumalaki raw ang epekto ng hindi pagkakasundo ng Senado at Kamara sa 2019 national budget. Ayon sa Development Budget Coordination Committee o DBCC, ang ekonomiya at serbisyo para sa mga Pilipino ang unang-una raw tinatamaan. Himok ng economic managers ng administrasyon.
We therefore urge Congress to transmit the 2019 national budget at the soonest possible time to the Malacanang, so the government can sustain its investments on development priorities, namely public infrastructure and social services.
Sabi ng Department of Finance, ilan sa hindi magagastusan ng pamahalaan ang proyekto para makapagbigay ng trabaho sa mga Pilipino, pagpapabuti ng edukasyon at pagbibigay serbisyo para sa kalusugan ng mga Pilipino.
Meant that we had 46 billion pesos less to spend in the first 90 days. Now, if you divide 46 billion into 90 days, that's half a billion pesos a day that we are not spending. That we are not spending to create jobs, that we are not spending to improve the infrastructure, that we are not spending for better healthcare, better education. So that will definitely affect the population first, and it will bring down the job growth.
Isa pa, hindi raw agad mapopondohan ang infrastructure projects ng gobyerno at malamang abutan na ng tag-ulan. Nanganganib din daw na maapektuhan ang sahod ng mga empleyado ng gobyerno.
Fortunately, if you have a reenacted budget, of course, the reenacted budget would not be sufficient to cover the entire year. So that might need some additional recommendations for funding.
Dahil inaasahan daw ng DBCC na reenacted budget pa rin ang gagamitin ng gobyerno hanggang sa mga susunod na linggo, inadjust na raw nila ang gross domestic product o GDP target range mula 6% hanggang 7% sa 2019, 6.5 to 7.5% sa taong 2020 at 7 hanggang 8% sa taong 2021 to 2022.
6 to 7% is an adjustment from the 7 to 8% which we used to have for every year until 2022, and that is because it seems to be a foregone conclusion that the budget will be reenacted up to April. So that already takes into account reenacted budget up to April.
JP Soriano, GMA News.